Femmechi, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to do a review on these Nike shoes that I bought. They are the Nike Free Metcon 4s, and I really liked these shoes when I read about them online because you can run with them, you can do weight training in them. A year ago I got the Nike Vapor Max, but honestly I don't really like how they feel when I'm running, so that's why I wanted to get a shoe that I can run in and also do, you know, something like deadlifts while wearing them. So that's why I decided to get these shoes. Can you see the logo? It came in this box, and the box is orange, and then on the front you can see the Nike logo. I decided to get them in black because I just wanted shoes that would go with all of my gym outfits. So here's the side of the shoe. You can see that it's very nicely built. I like all of those edges. And then here's the back of the shoe. It has a Nike logo, and you can see the heel is pretty thick. And let's keep going. Other side of the shoe. I just really like the shape. Everything just flows. And you can see that there's the Metcon logo right there, which is really, really nice. And then if you turn it around, I love that part of the sole kind of comes up towards the top of the shoe or the front of the shoe. That's really nice for when you're doing stuff like on your, on the mat. And then the Nike logo, you can see that there. It's also really nice having all of those, I don't even know what you call those, but it just feels like it has a lot of grip on the sole of the shoe, and that's what I'm feeling right there. So you wouldn't slip with these shoes at the gym, and they feel pretty lightweight, very lightweight, and they're also very flexible. So if you're doing anything that requires you to, like, if you're doing planks, they'd be nice shoes to use. And I like the mesh design. The mesh design is pretty nice. And yeah, those are the shoes. I wore them to the gym, as you can see. And I was just testing out how comfortable they felt. And honestly, they felt pretty good. Through all the exercises that I did, they felt solid, very much flexible, and I felt agile. And here I'm just doing some squats. And I think they are really good to use in the weight room as well. Everything felt really light, comfortable. I felt stable. So I would say you could wear these in the weight room. Here I am on the treadmill. I just started off with an incline just so I could test out how much grip it has. And it was pretty good grip. I wasn't slipping at all. And also, according to the Nike website, these are supposed to be both for the weight room and for other dynamic exercises, such as cardio. So even though these don't have necessarily that much of a bounce to them, like you don't really feel airy while wearing them. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but they just don't have, like, they have cushion, but they don't have an intense amount of cushion. So you can see I'm running here with them. Felt very nice to run with them, actually. I will be doing another review of Nike shoes that I got, and then later on I'm going to try on a bunch of different gear that I got for training. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Click the red button. Ooh, sunlight is just coming in.